Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Freecash to PayPal. At first go through freecash.com. Then log into your account. Once you're in, you will be able to see your balance at the top right corner. If you want to withdraw your money, tap on your balance. And this will be going to take you the cash out section. Now, as you can see, there are different ways of how you can withdraw your money. Scroll down, there you will see different options. Tap on PayPal. Then it will show you different options for amount. Select the account. Then it will ask you for a PayPal account. Make sure your email is linked to your PayPal account. So right there you need toggle both of these options as long as this is true. Then click on Withdraw. You also have the option of getting a Google Play card, Apple card, Amazon as well. So that was all. That's how you can withdraw money from Freecash to PayPal. Thank you for watching.